Makeup, a personal choice, not a rulebook. Do you feel chained to your daily makeup routine? It's time to question the unspoken rules and discover the freedom of choice. In the bustling morning commute, we witness the ritual of applying makeup, a subtle transformation from private to public. But is it a necessity, or has it become a burden? The face we present to the world is a complex canvas. Makeup can be our armor, our plaything, or a simple expression of confidence. Yet, the script we follow often dictates that readiness has a specific look. But here's where it gets controversial. What if that script is optional? Our skin, a living organ, deserves its own rhythm and protection. The beauty industry, with its rules and freedoms, often overlooks this. It's time to prioritize our skin's health and happiness. A friend's story highlights how makeup routines can evolve. She began concealing under her eyes in school, following the organized girls. Years later, she realized her routine adapted to her work environment, and her capability remained unchanged. This pattern reflects a broader trend. Our rituals adapt to life, not the other way around. And this is the part most people miss. Makeup is a choice, a personal expression, and a love letter to oneself. It can enhance our presence, or simply be a default worth reconsidering. Building a flexible daily ritual is key. A 5-minute baseline routine with optional additions ensures a quick, adaptable look. Focus on SPF, a tint, defined brows, curled lashes, and a touch of color. On busy days, this baseline is enough. On relaxed days, add a hint of eyeliner or shadow. Gentle layers are essential. Heavy hands can age our look and draw unwanted attention. Foundation, if used, should be matched to your jawline and applied lightly, allowing your skin to breathe. Nighttime cleansing, even on minimal days, is crucial for skin health. Think of makeup as a conversation, not a mask. Texture and placement matter more than quantity. A clean base with barrier-friendly skincare enhances any look. If you're editing your routine, remove products gradually. Start with one product per week and see what you don't miss. You might discover a new, lighter routine that suits your skin and your life. A London dermatologist advises, your skin barrier loves consistency more than perfection. Streamline during the week, then treat yourself on Sundays. Your cells respond to rhythm. Key takeaways. Social signals versus self-choice. Makeup conveys preparedness, but its meaning shifts with context. Skin before pigment. Barrier-friendly skincare and SPF enhance any look. Flexible routine. A quick, adaptable baseline saves time and mental energy. So, are you ready to embrace the freedom of choice in your makeup routine? It's time to slow down, listen to your skin, and choose your own face.